The human resistance is a hacktivist group, and their primary goal is to disrupt business operations. From a security investigation perspective, they leverage a commodity set of tools and tactics. Before diving into the investigation, we have to consider a couple of facts. Among the assets that are in our scope is Global Workstation 1. The IP address to this machine is 10.103.1.10. This is a server situated in the DMZ. In the protected area of the network, we have a database, GlobalDev1, with the IP address 10.102.2.160. Both of these machines have packet bit and metric bit installed. In addition to this, Global Workstation 1 has audit bit installed as well. In terms of actionable intelligence, we already know that Global Workstation 1 is known to be compromised at this point. The concerning fact is that users have reported degraded activity on Global Devo 1, and this is the start point of our investigation. We'll start off the investigation by searching for spikes, meaning a large number of events that are well above the usual baseline. More precisely, we look for high resource consumption for the machines that we have in scope. Another metric that we need to go over is search for a spike in network traffic. Based on these events that don't stay within the baseline, we can search for suspicious processes that might be generating these. We'll use the metric bit dashboard to identify performance issues on Global Dev 01, showcasing the value of the Elastic Stack for performance monitoring as well. Scrolling down, we identify a spike in resource consumption. To get a bigger picture, we'll correlate this with a network activity by navigating to the packet bit dashboard. And right away, we see there is a spike in ICMP packages for an extended period of time. This is further confirmed by analyzing the transaction type view. To get a more detailed view on the individual hosts, we'll jump into the Network tab of the SIEM. Here, we see that there is a high volume of traffic between 10.102.2.160, which is Global Devo 1, as well as 10.103.1.10, which is Global Workstation 1. Next, we'll go into the Discover section, and we'll filter for the IP address of Global Workstation 1 as the client IP, so we can get more information about the outbound traffic. Looking at the type of traffic, we see that a major percentage is ICMP traffic, which we can correlate to the spike in traffic registered for the Global Devo 1 host. We'll pivot to the host view in the SIEM app to identify what uncommon processes were executed at the same time. We can see that the apt package manager was used to install Scapy, which is a packet crafting framework. Going through the list, we can see that Scapy was executed as well. Based on this, we can establish that there is a tight correlation between the two hosts, resulting in a network attack based on ICMP, most probably a denial of service attack. To summarize and document our findings so far, we have started investigating a spike in resource consumption based on data collected using metric bit. Correlating the machine and the time frame, we have identified a high volume of ICMP traffic. Based on the same time frame, we have identified also machines that were communicating with each other. And finally, we managed to find the source of the attack, where Scapy, a packet crafting Python framework, was installed on the compromised system. Not all attacks are based on commodity tools and techniques, and in the next section, we'll be analyzing a more advanced threat actor,